Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to edit your Astra theme using Elementor step by step. If you are building a WordPress site, combining Astra and Elementor gives you tons of flexibility and speed. Let's dive in. Astra is a lightweight, customizable WordPress theme built for speed and flexibility. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder plugin that lets you visually design pages, no coding needed. When you use Astra with Elementor, you get the perfect combo: clean structure from Astra and full creative freedom from Elementor. Before we build anything with Elementor, we want to prep our page using Astra settings. Here's how. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to pages, then or posts, depending on what you want to edit. Click edit under the page or post you want to work on. Once you are in the editor, scroll down to find the Astra settings panel in the sidebar or below the post contents. In the sidebar drop down, choose no sidebar. This gives Elementor the full width to work with and removes unnecessary clutter from your design. Now, still in Store settings, look for the disable sections area. Check the box of disable title to hide the default page title from showing on the front, and click update to save your changes. You can do this on every page and post where you want Elementor to take full control. To make sure Elementor uses the entire page canvas, set the layout of full width test. Here's how. Go to your pages or posts list in the dashboard, click on edit for the page you want to design, open the Astra settings panel again. Under the content layout drop down, choose full width test, then click update to save. This layout is ideal for Elementor because it removes themes padding and let you design edge to edge. Once you have updated your Astra settings, click the blue Edit with Elementor button at the top of the page. From there, the Elementor interface will load and you can start designing, dragging widgets, add sections and columns, customize colors, fonts, backgrounds, whatever you like. The clean setup you just did in Astra gives Elementor a blank canvas, so your design look exactly how you want it. And that's it. Now you know how to perfectly prep and edit your Astra themes using Elementor. This gives you the control of a custom design without needing to touch any code. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with Elementor widgets of Astra customization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.